Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today onwards, we will start learning a React.js, so React JavaScript library. It's a framework. So in this class, we will try to learn, we will try to see 10 points why we have to learn React.js in 2024. So I have created some 10 points and let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. The first point is industry adoption. React.js continues to be the go-to library for many high-profile companies, powering dynamic and responsive user interfaces for web and mobile applications. So it is a go-to library for many high-profile companies. So companies are looking for the React.js developers. So indirectly, what I'm saying is companies are looking for the React.js developers. So what is a responsive user interface for web and mobile application, which means, so if you create any applications, like if you create any, like you wrote any code, so you developed an application, so it should be work on any devices, like any small devices or big devices, laptops, mobile phones. So it should responsive. It should be responsive, like it should be worked in any other devices. So that is called responsive user interfaces. So it is important to learn React.js and component-based architecture. So component means nothing but it's a function. So React modular structures allow developers to build encapsulated components that manage their own state, which means components can store data. Components can store data and manage their own state. Like they will when you update any code, like they can manage their own state and leading to more manageable code and reusability. So, as we know, functions are reusability, but in the React.js, we call functions as components. We call functions as components. We should not use it as functions. It is a component. And third point is virtual DOM. React Virtual DOM ensures efficient application and rendering. So, what React Virtual DOM will do? So it will track all the changes which you have done in the code. It will track all the changes that you have made in the code. So it which ensures efficient updates and runtime and making it incredibly performance oriented for modern web applications. Rich ecosystem. Rich ecosystem. The React ecosystem is vast, offering a plethora of tools, libraries, and extensions that enhance development, such as Redux, Next.js, and Gatsby. So what is such as Redux, Next.js, and Gatsby? And we are having strong community support with a large and active community. React developers have access to a wealth of resources, tutorials, and support, which is invaluable for both learning and problem solving. Both learning and problem solving. So we are having large community. If you have any doubts, you can post the doubt and they can resolve your queries. And sixth one is ease of learning. React learning curve is relatively shallow compared to other frameworks, making it accessible to beginners, while still being powerful enough for advanced developers. So it is a ease of learning. So we can easily learn the React JS framework. So when compared to the other frameworks, React JS is little bit easy to learn. And we are having hooks and functional components. So all these things we will discuss in the future classes. The introduction of hooks has revolutionized state management in functional components and making a code more readable and easier to maintain. Job market. Proficiency in React.js opens up numerous job opportunities as it maintains one of the most sought after skills in the web development job market. And so we are having a good job market who learn React.js, You're having a lot of job opportunities if you learn React.js. And flexibility. React can be used for a wide range of projects, for small personal websites to large-scale enterprise applications. thanks to its flexibility and scalability. Continuous development. React is continuously evolving with regular updates that bring new features and improvements, ensuring the developers are always equipped with the latest tools to build cutting-edge applications. So React is continuously evolving. Like there will be new updates. You can see the documentation, React.js documentation. You will get updates in the documentation. You can go and check the latest documentation and improvements, ensuring the developers are always equipped with the latest tools to build cutting edge applications. So these are the 10 points why we have to learn React.js in 2024. So that's it, friends. It's important to learn React.js in 2024. That's the conclusion. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.